Welcome! I bought a new guitar and I thought it might be nice to let you see the unboxing of the guitar. I wanted a 12 string and a not so expensive one. And normally I buy the guitar at, for instance, Thomann in Germany, and they had a little bit of a delivery problem. I wanted a black one, and that would have been 4 weeks. And I was searching and finally I found a website that's called Gear4Music. I never bought anything at Gear4Music. I know it's a big company. So I thought I just might give it a try. So this is a 12 string black dreadnought from Gear4music.com. And this is the first time that I'm going to see it, so you can watch it with me. Let's unbox it and let's hope that it's okay. It came, the delivery was quite fast. They said it would be maybe 7 days, but it was here in 3 days, so that was great. And it's not a box in a box. It's just a guitar and a simple box, so I hope that I can open it now. And I've got all the plastic tape, so let's give it a first look. It's always a big surprise what's in the box and how it's packaged. Ah, it is a box in a box. It says Gear4Music on the back, so it's well packaged. Now I see that now I have a box. I have a box with exactly the same size in the box. Well, let's open this one, put it on the table. I don't think there's any, no, this is not taped. Let's open this one. It says Gear4Music. First time I've ever bought anything at this company, with this company. 3 boxes. And here's the guitar. It has an Allen key in the back of the box. And this is it. Some plastic on the inside. So we're now going to remove the plastic, the foil, and let's see if it's not damaged or anything. Little rubber band on the back, on the headstock. As always, there's a number written on the foil, I don't know why. And let's strip it down. Let's see if it's okay. Okay. So this is what we see now. Spin it around. Okay. And leave this on the table for any scratches. And we have a little bit of protection over the strings. Let's cut that away. And let's have a look. Well, what we can see here, that's just from the protection. I cannot see any flaws. I see the strings are on nicely. The action of the guitar looks great, very low, so that's nice. I'm going to look at the frets. They're a bit sharp. Here for instance this one really sticking out, so maybe that needs a little work. Here it's nicely wound. We have a logo on the headstock I've never seen before. And this guitar has a pickup, and I guess there's a battery inside. I will take out. Yeah, it has a battery that's not connected yet, but means I can play it through an amp. We have a that's for the guitar strap. And here we have the input for the pickup. The last 4 strings are identical to each other. So this is a B, or should be a B. This one also. Hey, you get something? Maybe it's a little bit in tune now. The guitar itself, nicely done. The tuners are okay, and well, it's not a lot of money, so it's 120 euros. So nice to have a guitar as an extra. Strings are a little bit bleak. Might be nice to put some other strings on there. Give some sort of rosewood pickguard. And it's the Gear4Music model DV212 black. So 12 string black. Let's try it with a pick. Makes a difference maybe.